Look, I told this guy we're having a car show. This thing is too new to be. Are you gonna have to move this thing or I'm gonna have to tow it out of the way?
I'm moving.
Okay, well, let's keep going. Are you going over there? I'm gonna ride with you over there. What is up, guys? Today we're on the wrong side of the law. We're going to steal a pickup truck. Actually, we're not gonna go steal it. We're just gonna borrow it for the day. My best friend that I've been best friends with forever, since I can remember anything, he was coming to my car show that I'm having today. He actually can't make it because he had to go to another event. One of his other friends is having a bachelor party, whatever you call those kind of things when you get married. To be generous, we're gonna go over here and borrow his truck so his truck can attend our car show, and then we're gonna bring it back. I actually don't know if it's gonna start or not. We're gonna find out together. But he has it's a 70s Ford four-wheel drive pickup truck. It's a pretty cool truck. But anyway, we're gonna see if we can get this thing fired up, and we're gonna take it to our garage for our show today. So this is the old Ford truck right here. I did come over here a minute ago. Hold on a second. Let's see if this bad boy start up. First, we're gonna roll the window down so we don't smother. And she's dead as a doorknob. Great. Now we're gonna have to try to start this. Alright, so Clayton thinks he's slick. He's got a anti-theft on this truck. He doesn't have a battery in it. This thing, it sounds really good. It's a big block. Other than that, I don't know much about it. Oh, he's got my carburetor that he stole. Now we're gonna have to go find a battery. Alright guys, we stole a battery out of my truck. Now we're gonna put it in here, and hopefully this thing's gonna start. I have to flip the battery around. Red, I'm gonna have to take your battery charger out of here because I don't want this thing to get tangled up in the motor or something other. But I will leave it in the truck as soon as we figure out if this is gonna start. Now this thing usually, oh yeah, we got power now. This thing usually starts if the battery's up. Oh yeah. Now Red, we ain't gonna do too many burnouts. We're not gonna do as much as you usually do. But now we're gonna go dig this thing out because there's a bunch of stuff in front of it. So let's go do that. So to show you possibly why he hasn't had this thing out, is this thing was buried. Look at that. I've been trying to put blocks and stuff underneath this thing for the past, I don't know, 30 minutes, and I still haven't got this thing out. Hopefully we're about to get this thing out. Like I said, this is a four-wheel drive truck, but the four-wheel drive does you no good if there's no drive shaft. So let's take 3. Damn it. Clayton, if you're watching this, you suck. Alright, take 4. Alright, if this doesn't work, I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. Oh, that's not good. I think it just slid off the banking. Guess we're gonna have to get the tractor. I can't tell which way is straight. Alright guys, we made it to the car show. For a second, I didn't think we had brakes.
I didn't think so either. I thought you'd go run right into tractor?
Probably not.
Why not?
Because they get a fucking insurance on it.
It'll make it safely back to your driveway.
I'm gonna four-wheel drive launch it.
They ain't got no front drive shaft in it.
What kind of truck you got with no drive shaft?
Well, the front gears don't match the rear gears.
I'd make it even funner.
Yeah, it'd make it real fun.
So we can do it, right?
If I get a battery out of my truck, can I go borrow it?
Jesus Christ.
Where's the keys at?
Fuck in it.
Oh, that's even better. I'll pull the battery out of my truck.
I've got battery right here.
Well,
All right, we'll send you
fun.
we'll send you videos.
Alright.
All right, bye.
Never.
Let's do it.
say no.
All right, Clayton, thanks for letting me use your truck today. I'm gonna take it back home and park it in the exact same spot, and you would never even know, but you're gonna find out. So let's take her home. Hopefully it starts. Rowdy. Oh, looky here, we're gonna have to tow this guy. What does he think he's doing? This dude's lost. Alright guys, that is it. Thanks for everyone that came out today. It was a blast. It was pretty cool to host my own car show. But next week, we're going to get into a little something. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but if you're watching this, stay tuned. I'm very excited for this. It's going to be actually Friday, so it'll probably come out maybe Saturday or Sunday, depending on if I can get my button gear and get it edited. And we'll see you guys next time. Remember to keep on hot rodding. We'll see you guys next time.